Hi, this is Joe here over at Custom Classics. Solid start. Anyway, I want to take a few moments today to go over well, the current modifications they're doing on this 1970 Mach 1 Mustang. So as you can see, it's already had quite a bit of work done to it. Somebody put quarters on the car at one point. They did like a terrible job, so it was easier just to start over. So we put new quarters on the back. We ended up doing a new roof skin also. That was just to get a good platform to start with. And then from there, we shaved the drip rail molding, added this nice little reveal, so the roof doesn't look bald. You know, it has a flush-mounted glass, which is a little bit of a project in itself. You got to raise the lip up about 1/4 inch. It's just a lot of finessing to get the glass to fit real good. But what I'm actually working on right now is we're doing scoops on the side. They're actually going to be functional. They're going to be to help cool the rear brakes. So on this is a 70 Mach 1. On a 69, they actually had a scoop, a similar style to what we're building, but they weren't functional, and they're made of like pop metal. And so to start with that, it wasn't worth it at all. So we started from scratch. Here, come over on this side. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done, and then I'll show you where we're at on the other side. So this is what we kind of landed on for a design. It looks a little similar to a 69, but it's a little more streamlined, kind of follows the body a little better, kind of matches, you know, some of this detail in there. And they are going to be functional, like I said. So once I get the other side built, we'll eventually plumb them, you know. Yeah, I'll show you inside of here. So essentially they'll come out through here, then we're going to build like a hat channel that'll come and kind of hug this real tight, because he does want to run a rear seat in this car. So we got to try to keep them as low profile as we can. But again, they got to function. So that's what we'll tackle next. I'll show you over here is where the other side is currently at. Watch your step. But so what we started with on this, pretty much marked the quarter with some tape of the basic like profile that we thought would look good against the quarter. And then from there we made a template. So this is what it started off as. So essentially you trace that on a piece of metal, used our Mittler Brothers bead roller, and rolled a large step into it. And then that way we had our basic, you know, outline of what the scoop was going to look like. Yeah, from there we cut out this profile, and then yeah, I've got it to fit on the car nice, you know, where it followed the quarter real nice. And then, yeah, the rest of this is made up of about 3 different pieces. This side has a few more seams to weld up than the other side just to get the profiles exactly the same. I had to do a couple little Frankenstein cuts in there, but all in all, it's coming out really well. So we'll have this piece finished up and welded in this afternoon. And then, yeah, then I can start on the rest of it to get it finished up. Yeah, a little more detail on this car. It's got all Detroit speed suspension underneath it. It's got I believe it's a 5-liter Coyote motor, the 6-speed behind it. So it's going to be kind of like a resto mod ProTouring kind of style car. Be a lot of fun to drive. We did also, I forgot to mention earlier, we put KinDig It door handles in it, which are pretty trick. So these will get painted body color, and they'll get body work like smooth with the car. So, you know, from the sighting down the car, you won't even notice them, but they're all hooked up and they work really nice. Yeah, we also put new rockers on this car, floor fans, door striker panel. So some of the old stuff in there, but pretty much going to be a brand new car. Yeah, that's about that's where we're at on this. We'll do some more videos and kind of keep everybody posted on where we're at with it. So later.